Now we're on the move.
She's got a bag of stuff. And here's Santa Claus coming.
We're all steamed up. It's so nice and quiet in these carriages, eh?
I haven't been on a train for years.
I think it's because of the magic train. What the heck?
That's a food train, honey. It's like a shop.
That's got
Oh,
a.
has it got a
That's a
cafe?
buffet car.
A buffet
Oh,
car.
my.
You'd know that if you spent a bit more time reading Paddington books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, look, we've got water on that side.
oh yeah. I can see that.
There's Mommy's phone on.
Did you have it in here? You must have done.
Maybe you left it at the...
Oh, that was it.
I was taking pictures with him, right, I was going to show Daddy Scott and Michael.
Can I see?
Scott, you'll not be able to see very much out of there because the thing is the windows all misted up. There's anything very exciting there, like little buildings.
This is a much prettier view.
There's the sea out that side.
Hello again. We have some chocolate coins and some Santa wish lists for any little ones. So,
Oh,
would you
right.
like to have some chocolate coins?
Oh, my.
Yeah, there we go.
Again, can I take some home for this
You
sister?
can, of course. There you go.
Thank you.
And a wee wish list for Santa as well.
That's
So
a
you
good
can
plan.
tell him what
There
it
you
is
go.
that you'd like. And there's a
Right.
oh, do you need a wee pencil? There's a wee post box at the next station that you can post a letter off to Santa.
Cool.
All right.
All
you.
right.
I'm not sure I'm allowed to.
You are, but only if you give one to everybody else in the carriage.
Yeah. At least one. Dottie doesn't really need to know, does she?
Oh, I'm going to take her some. Mind you, she won't eat them. Do you know she's been at the gym the last 3 days, and she came down this morning for breakfast, and she wouldn't have what I suggested, a croissant or something, whatever, because she doesn't want to. You know, she's burning all these calories.
I've got all brand.
I could have got a free membership to the gym for 12 days. That 12 days of Christmas that I got for him, I usually have to, it's £12, I usually have to pay for it. And you can go to classes, anything. Trisha had one on her
That's
phone.
what she's got, Carol.
How did she get your membership?
No, I meant she's got £12, 12 days for £12.
No, well, we got them for nothing. We didn't have to pay for them. And Trish had one.
Why
on her
didn't you tell me
phone.
this before? What was the point in telling me this
I
now?
think I did tell you.
No, you didn't.
I probably did.
No, you
At
didn't.
some stage.
And Carrie, do you want one?
Oh, thank you, Michael.
Scott, do you want one?
Scott, Michael's thingy. Would you like a coin? Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, everybody that was a member had a full membership, was getting this free. Usually you've got to pay for it. He's usually had to pay for it, and I just had it transferred onto his phone. Then you just have to.
So how many did you get for free?
The whole 12 days,
For how many people?
just for one.
So you got Scott for free.
I got Scott for that 12 days.
So you
So
couldn't.
if you had have
No,
gotten it for
Trisha
Dots,
had
you
one
wouldn't
on
have
her
been able
phone and she wasn't using it, so she could have transferred
Right.
it.
No.
It's fine.
You
It's
never
only-
communicated that to me.
It's only 12 quid.
Yeah, and I've done it. So she's
No,
got
well,
it.
you
So-
were. Well, it's going to be 12 consecutive days.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
I've done it. I've done it
You've
loads
done it.
every year. Yeah.
Yeah, Scott usually, but I thought, well, that's fine.
We'll go
No,
CNS
I,
having a
I
birthday
didn't know
party.
that Dot was going to the gym until you mentioned it the other day.
She's only going because I got her the 12 days.
Yeah.
All this health freakery will stop in about 10 days' time.
Well, she'll go back to football 5 days a week.
I bought all brand, which is very healthy. I do like
I've
some of
got
the buildings in Barnes.
It's nice, isn't it?
I've got Scotch porridge oats.
I've been having porridge a few mornings. It's very good.
Scotch
What's
porridge.
What's Scott's doing for his porridge if you've got his oats?
Michael laugh.
I didn't know he liked it. I just says to him the other morning, I says, do you like Scotch porridge? Do you like porridge? He says, yeah. But these are the sachets. But no the one with the syrup in it. They're horrible. You might be able to get up near although I take it to be the engine's quite far up.
Yeah. No, we can't go to the engine drive or anything like that. So we just have to
Well, you can when you get out.
look at the scenery. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because I think it stops for is it 15 minutes or something at the other end.
You can eat them all, mate.
I'll help you. I'll help you eat one of the big ones, Michael.
Daddy would like one of the big ones.
You can just open the otters. She's not going to want them, mate.
No.
We'll just eat them.
Yeah. So what's happening tomorrow?
How long can you hold off? Well, the party food is like lunch food, so
Yeah. I've got a turkey to cook in the morning and stuff for Christmas Day. Thank you.
You don't cook that on Christmas Day.
Oh no, I never cook my turkey on Christmas Day. I cook it the day before. It's easier to slice. Because I'm going to slice it all at home and take it round to Sarah's in a platter with this. It's actually pork, apple, and cranberry stuffing. Does your dad allow cranberries? No, it depends on medication. Some people are not allowed cranberries.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I don't. I've never heard.
I know somebody that can't eat cranberries, like cranberry juice and that.
Sorry, Scott.
You thought it too hard.
I know. Did you get it? There it is. Yeah. Thanks for eating.
No, I'm going to get up early
Why
in the
is it
morning.
stopping?
I'll have it all prepared and I'm just going to show it in the
Stop.
oven. Something's going to be on for about 2.5 hours.
So we're going to open presents, and then we're going to have a party, and then
At lunchtime.
yeah, and then Dottie and I are going to go up to see Nonnie and Christopher before it gets dark, and that's the plan.
Yeah, well, you'll
I
have to be up there
I
for
have to go and get them.
2:30.